Assalamualaikum. Today I will present SSF physiology, cardiovascular system. Uh, First is introduction about cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system in maintaining homeostasis depend on the continuous and controlled movement of blood through the thousands of mils of capillary that permeate every tissue and reach every cell in the body. It is in the microscopic capillaries that blood performs its ultimate transport function. Nutrient and other essential materials pass from capillary blood into fluid surrounding the cell as waste product are removed. Okay, next is structure anatomy of the cardiovascular system. So you can look at the picture. This is example in the heart. First is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava carries blood from the head, neck, arms, and chest. The vena cava is the largest vein in the body. Next is aorta. Aorta is the main artery that carries blood away from your heart to the rest of your body. Next is septum. Okay, septum is separate the atria and ventricles in such a way that it forms a barrier between the heart chambers, and this prevents mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Okay, next is function of cardiovascular system. First, first function is maintain blood flow to all part of the body. The body takes essential nutrient like oxygen from the blood, and at the same time the body dump waste product like carbon dioxide back into the blood so it can remove. Okay, second function is deliver of oxygen and nutrient. It have three elements working together. Okay, first the heart pumps the blood into the blood vessel. The second, the blood vessel carry the blood to the body tissue. And the last is the blood carries a number of things dissolved in it. Oxygen is carried by the hemoglobin in the red blood cell. Blood also carries nutrient that it has absorbed in the intestines to the working muscle. The next function is removal of waste product. The force of pump from the heart have to get the blood back. The blood vessel, particularly the veins, use their proximity to muscle and their valve to squeeze the blood back to the heart without any backflow. The blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lung to be extracted. It also carries other waste from the metabolic process such as water and lactic acid. This is taken back to the kidney and liver so we can process it and extract it. Next is blood flow in cardiovascular system. Okay, you can look the picture. The blue is representative as deoxygenated blood, while the red is oxygenated blood. The blue is representative of blood vessel containing deoxygenated blood, while the red blood vessel have oxygenated blood fresh from the lung. Okay. Next is veins are blood vessel containing blood flowing to the heart, while arteries is blood vessel containing blood from the heart. Okay. Supravena cava receive blood from the head, neck, upper lips, and chest. Meanwhile, the inferior vena cava receive blood from the trunk, viscera, and lower limbs. Both superior and inferior vena cava and ups in the right atrium, one of the four chambers of the heart. Uh, yeah. The heart also have four valves to keep for what? To keep blood moving in the right direction and not flow back. The right ventricle pumps the oxygen, poor blood to the lungs primary valve. The left atrium receive oxygen rich blood from the lungs and pump it to the left ventricle through the mitral valve. The left ventricle pump the oxygen rich blood through the aortic valve out to the rest of the body. Okay, next is abnormal condition of heart. First is arrhythmia. Arrhythmia is a change in the heart sequence of electrical impulse. Can result in heartbeats that are too fast, too slow, or irregular. Second is heart failure, a condition in which the heart does not as well as it should, resulting in flat build-up. Heart failure does not mean the heart stop beating. So that's all for me. Thank you.